Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Expo Go. First, you'll need to install Node.js, which comes with NPM, a powerful package manager for JavaScript. Next, open your terminal and install the Expo CLI globally by running npm install gexpocli. This command gives you access to all the essential Expo tools. Finally, create a new project by typing Expo in My New App and choose a blank template for a clean start. This foundational setup takes just a few minutes. Once your project is created, navigate into its directory using your terminal. Then, simply type npm start or expo start to launch the development server. This action automatically opens a new tab in your web browser, displaying the Expo dev tools. From there, you'll see a QR code. Scan it with the Expo Go app on your phone or tablet to view your application instantly. It's a seamless way to get your project running. The Expo Go app is your essential companion for mobile development. You can download it for free from your device's app store, whether you're on iOS or Android. This powerful app enables you to see your project running directly on a physical device, providing a true user experience. What's more, any changes you save in your code will instantly reflect on your device, thanks to its fantastic live reloading capability, saving you valuable development time. Expo Go offers incredible flexibility, supporting many native device features without complex configuration. As you progress, explore the comprehensive Expo documentation to discover advanced components and powerful APIs that can enhance your application. For an even smoother experience, consider using a robust code editor like VS Code. With these tools, you're well equipped to continue building and iterating on your application, enjoying a highly efficient and enjoyable development workflow.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.